The Lubigi restoration exercise that kicked off in May 2024 saw several illegal structures established in the wetland demolished, nursery beds removed, and trees cut down.
Exotic trees are not needed in a wetland. We want plant life, which is part of what was there. Because previously those trees were not there. They are introduced there. So they are not indigenous there. So we want what was there before to be what should be there.
Along the northern bypass stretch, mature trees that decorated the roadside were not spared. According to Nema, some of the tree species were harmful to the wetland due to their invasive nature and alteration of the ecosystem.
Eucalyptus, banana plantations, umbrella trees, those are planted for sale. So these are just the areas are used as areas to generate seedlings for exotic plants. Those are not natural trees. And in any case, you will not find trees in Lubigi. Lubigi is not a wetland which has trees. Those are introduced.
The authority says some of the tree species that had grown along the northern bypass stretch can alter water flow patterns, contaminate water, and also reduce the natural sedimentation process.
Those exotic plants, like Christmas trees or umbrella trees, as you call them, they can be invasive. Invasive in the sense that they will grow and keep expanding, so they will eat up the whole area. And we don't need them. Why should we have exotic plants in a wetland? Wetland should have either papyrus or grass or wetland plant life. So it's foreign material which has to be removed.
Nema is currently using the passive method of natural regeneration to restore the wetland. This has been accompanied by assisted regeneration of channel opening to redirect water flow. Upon completion of the exercise, the authority will embark on active restoration mechanism which involves planting of eco-friendly trees. Some of the trees recommended for wetland regeneration include cypress, which tolerates flooding, black gum, which handles periodic flooding, river birch, which adapts to the wet soils, the willow, which helps stabilize soil, and mangrove. Susan Naonga reporting for ABC TV.